What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 5/15/2022, doing our 2021 Select 3-box basketball mixer. 2 hybrids, 1 hobby. This is number 10, and this will be it. All our Select will be gone. Who's got who in the break? Joe W. has the Hawks, and Matt R. has the Celtics and Nets. Stu M. has the Hornets. We got Justin S. with the Bulls and Derek H. with the Cavs, Joe W. with the Mavericks, Dennis J. with the Nuggets. We got Derek H. with the Pistons, and Matt R. has the Warriors. Tony K. has the Rockets, and Joe W. has the Pacers. Brian K. with the Clippers, Matt R. with the Lakers, and Joseph T.N. with the Grizzlies. Matt R. has the Heat, and Brian K. has the Bucks. We've got Stu M. with the T-Wolves. Dennis J. has the Pelicans, and Justin S. has the Knicks. Tony K. with the Thunder and Derek H. with the Magic. We got Brian M. with the 76ers. Brian K. with the Suns and the Blazers. Kurt D. with the Kings. Derek H. with the Spurs. Natalino with the Raptors. Dennis J. Jazz. And T. with the Wizards. All right, let's do the hobby first again like we did in break 9. Last box out of the case of hobby. 3 hits. Let's see what we can get. You see a LaMelo rookie already popping up. Guys, Diamond Kings, you saw what Kevin's pulling out of there. That's sitting there. We can get that going tonight. Weissman's sitting right on top here. This could be a really good box. All right, here we go. All rookies are going to get soft-sleeved. Along with silver rookies will get hard encased. See what we can get. Numbered cards hard encased. Colin Sexton starting it off. Kawhi Leonard and Zeke Nnaji. Zeke starting it off here. Who has them? Let me find it. Denver. Dennis J. There you go, Dennis. Kicking it off. Dennis J. kicking it off right there. Congrats on the Zeke. How about a red Anthony Davis to 199? Lauri Markkanen, Gallinari. There's a LeBron. Precious Achiuwa, Steven Adams silver, Vernon Carey courtside rookie, Cam Johnson, Tyrell Terry, LaMarcus Aldridge, Marco Rubio silver, Kevin Love. There's our LaMelo, very nice, base LaMelo, Ben Simmons, Anthony Edwards future. Select future, Anthony Edwards, Goose. Very nice. Kyrie Silver. There's Aaron Naismith and Isaiah Stewart. DeAndre Ayton. Joe Ingles to 249. Jamias Ramsey. Leo Melvin. Markelle Fultz. We got Capazano, rookie, red, white, and blue. Cole Anthony, rookie. All right, what do we got over here? James Weissman, base rookie. Oturu. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, we did. Very nice. What a way to go out here. Relic, Auto, T-Wolves, Stu M, getting Dr. Green. Anthony Edwards. Very nice. We got a sleeve right here for that one. I wish it was better than a white napkin, but we'll take it, right? We'll take it. Congrats there, Stu M. Anthony Edwards, relic auto. Kyle Lowry, seasoning salt. Red, white, and blue. Sadiq Bey. This was an awesome box if you think about it. You had a LaMelo base, a Weissman base, and the Anthony Edwards relic auto. Karl Anthony Towns. Now, do we have another relic or another relic? Or do we have another auto? $2.99 Bam Adebayo. Caleb Martin, Pascal. Here comes a silver. Silver is Jaylen Brown. And there's Denny, because he's got to be all over this. Courtside rookie, Josh Green. Here comes a scope. The scope is Azubuike for Utah, headed over to Dennis. Very nice. Joel Embiid, Jaden McDaniel, Andre Wiggins. And Wiggins is the other card. It's a Wiggins relic. Warriors card, Minnesota relic. We're going to the Warriors. Golden State is Maddox. Right, Kristaps, red, white, and blue. DiVincenzo. Desmond Bane, rookie. Wow. Wait till you see this one, too. On top of it, how about an Anthony Edwards silver? Anthony Edwards silver. Minnesota crushed this last hobby box. And Eric Pascal. All right, let's see what's in those. Let's see what's in those. Hybrid boxes right here. All right, how about a disco, black disco to end it? A 101 black disco. I think we already pulled a 101, didn't we? We pulled 101 Brooke Lopez out of one of these breaks. I can't even remember anymore. All right, here we go. All right, let's see what our hybrids have. We got a Ja, R.J. Hampton, Jalen Smith. All right, Cole Anthony, blue disco to 25. Very nice. Blue disco, Cole Anthony. Orlando, Derek H. Orlando, Derek H. Killian Hayes. Draymond, Trey Young. Obi Toppin. That is a disco Obi Toppin. Marvin Bagley, silver. Peyton Pritchard, rookie. Joe Ingles. And we got a disco of Eric Gordon. All right. I think we should have a red disco yet, right? It's one red, one blue. Luka. Holly Burton. We got a bunch of... we didn't get a red because we got a bunch more regular discos. Chris Paul with some sticky stuff on the back. Check out the back of that, just so whoever has the Suns, Brian K., knows that I wasn't like chewing bubble gum with it. It was stuck to this Chris Paul courtside disco. Brandon Clark and Hachimura. Okay. Let's see. In our last one, oh, we have a gold. We got a gold. I'm going to put that at the bottom. Desmond Bane, rookie. Patty Mills, Duncan Robinson. Azubuike rookie. Nikola Jokic. We got Domantas Sabonis silver. Onyeka Okongwu, courtside rookie. The Mboya, we got Elijah Hughes. Deladon Malin. Jokic. CJ Ellaby. Zion, courtside. Disco. All right, what do we got? PJ Washington leading us into it's a it's a Luka. Wow. Well, we went out with a bang, huh? Luka gold courtside. 1 of 10. Who's got Dallas? Joe W. Joey W. Joey Bag of Donuts W. Luka gold 10. Courtside. All right, guys. Nothing else to say here, but wow. I put PJ Washington in the wrong pile, getting so excited there. Let me just make sure I have all my rookies pulled to the side. There's one. Okay, we are good. Guys, appreciate you filling these up, even though it took us a long time. These fermented very well. I got some more 2021 product I'll be listing soon. Check it out.